Rents are rising again, but here's the twist. Compared to last year, they're actually down. So what's really happening in the rental market right now? Let's break down the latest national rent report for May 2026 and what it means for renters, investors, and the housing market overall. Let's start with the big headline. The national median rent rose by 0.5% in April, bringing it to $1,370. That's now 3 straight months of increases, signaling the start of a busy summer moving season. Compared to a year ago, rents are actually down 1.7%, the lowest annual rent growth record recorded since at least 2017, even lower than during the early pandemic period. And overall, rents have fallen 5% from their peak in 2022. So while rents are ticking up short term, the long-term trend is still cooling. Now here's something we haven't seen in years. The vacancy rate just dropped to 7.2%, making the first decline in over 4 years. That could mean the market is finally starting to stabilize. But why has it been so soft? One word: supply. In 2024, the U.S. added over 600,000 new apartment units, the biggest surge since 1986. Even though construction has slowed since then, there's still a backlog of new units hitting the market, and demand hasn't fully caught up yet. And it shows in leasing speed. Right now, it takes 35 days to rent a unit. That's 5 days longer than last year, and nearly twice as long as during the peak rental frenzy in 2021. So where does this leave us? The rental market is entering its busiest season, but conditions are still soft. Vacancy rates are finally starting to decline, which could signal a turning point, but demand remains uncertain. So the big question is, are we at the bottom of the rental market, or is there more cooling ahead? For those of you invested in multifamily with us, know that we are diligently managing our multifamily assets in light of the challenging rental market in order to maximize profitability. So that's the latest on multifamily, and that's why we have made a shift to make it possible for investors to invest in our most profitable real estate assets of varying types in the WCV Income Fund. Stay tuned for future videos about our fund, a new concept built on consistent cash flowing projects since 2012.